Hello everyone. So good afternoon on day two, second session. So first of all, let me know whose accounts are not created, and I'll create it right now. So just paste your email ID and your name in the chat box. Who want to get your account created? Anyone not having instance login? Please give me your email ID and your name in the chat box. I'll create it right now. Anyone who don't have an account, please let us know and we'll create it right now. Hello, Krishnath sir. Good afternoon.
I don't have account, ma'am.
Uh, Please post your name and email ID here in this chat box, live chat box. Okay. What I'll do is I'll share my screen and I'll start creating in front of you all so that you'll get to know how to create it. Yeah. So
Swati ma'am, we have got two requests in for account creation.
okay.
Aarti ma'am, you should get an email.
Yeah, I got the same.
Perfect. There's one more request, Swati ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. It is not letting me create
There's a trailing space, ma'am, at the end.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay. This
This
user
email is already existing. So the
now
Tyagi sir,
don't
looks like
like
you are already you must have already received an email about your instance. Can we do a quick search, ma'am? Let's put in
yeah.
Tyagi in the search box just to see.
Yeah, it's
Dr.
there.
Tyagi is already there.
Editor role.
Please can you check your email? See if you have received an email saying that you have been domoed. We got two more requests.
It's already there, Rushali. Please check your email IDs. If it is not created, then only post your email here. First, check your email address. This is Rushali, madam. It's there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let's check Manoj Suri.
Yes, it is there.
Yeah.
MN 007.
Nashik at the red Gmail. It's already there, Mr. Manoj Suri. Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Anyone else who is not having a account, please let us know right now.
Now in this session, we are going to do something interesting. Uh, everyone who has access, I mean, almost everyone should have access now to Domo. What we're going to do is we will ask you to upload a Excel file into Domo, into your instance, and then we will connect it and create a data set and create a card. And then we'll share those cards on this chart. So if anyone has any issues during this setup, we can discuss that through. Sunil sir, can we check Dr. Suraj Agrawal if he's
He's
on
not
the
there.
list?
We need
Okay,
to add them. Yeah.
okay. Uh,
We need to add them. Okay, I'll add.
Perfect.
Okay, Saroj Agarwal.
We see Aarti ma'am has joined. She was able to log into Domo. Perfect.
Yeah.
Great.
So, Dr. Saroj Agrawal, ma'am, please check your email. You'll get a email from Domo. Anyone not having an account, just let us know right now. Once we start our session, then we'll not create it. Okay, Saroj ma'am, thank you.
And I'd like to apologize on behalf of the team, just in case if we mix up the gender. There are quite a few names who are like common for both the genders. So if we address Mrs. with a Mr., we are sorry about that.
So we'll wait for 5 more minutes and then we will start, sir. Anyone wants to get your account created, we'll do it within 5 minutes and after that we'll start our session.
Once you have downloaded your data set, and once the data set is in Domo, we would request you to share it with us, either me, Sunil sir, or Swati ma'am. And I'll show you how exactly we do the share. Give me a moment, I'm going to share my screen.
Are you sharing your screen, sir?
Yeah, or even you are already sharing it, right? We
Yeah.
can just show it
Well,
on
if you
this.
want, I can stop share
That's
or
okay. That's
that's okay.
absolutely okay. You can go to data,
Okay, I'll go to data.
and these are the data sets. Say, let's pick up any one of them, or pick up one which says owned by you. If you select the option owned by you on the left hand side,
Okay, I'll just check 1 minute.
sure.
Um,
Now on the left hand side, if you click owned by you, there is an option under quick filters that will show you whichever is yours.
Here in add filter option. No. Oh, wait. I just check by
Right
scrolling
here,
up.
ma'am.
So, yeah. No, I think I have not added anything here. I've added in my own instance. No? That's why it's not showing anything here.
Not in the training instance. Okay.
No, I don't have. Should I add
What about these FDP Google Sheet
FTP
for
demo?
admission? This is by Sunil. Yeah, let's add one. I mean, that shouldn't take much time.
Yeah, no problem. I'll add. I'll go to data and 1 minute. So should I add through connectors only
Sure.
or through
You can cancel
analyzer?
that.
I think I can add through analyzer also, but it's not there actually. I cannot. Okay, I'll go from here. Data, then file, then I'll upload a spreadsheet. This will work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll add people list. Open it. This much data will work, sir? Name, participants, and
Yeah,
their
yeah,
email address.
that'll work.
Okay. I think this is around 300 people and I'll go to next. Save and run. This is a participants list.
Yeah.
It's a CSV file like this, and then save and run. Yes. So we have a CSV file right now. So now we can go to data. This is
The
the,
people list. And now
yes,
you can see this is owned by you, but not, has not been shared by anyone, shared with anyone.
yes.
So if you go to settings, that's the wrench icon on the left hand side, right hand side, I'm sorry, on the same row.
Yeah. So I'll go to view
No, 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 no. This is not how we share it. If you click on it, just click on it. You look at the three dots on the right top corner. You have got an option to share dataset, third from bottom. Say you put my name here.
I'll create a group name or any name.
Yeah, you can put it in
I
a group. What group do we have for the FDP?
think, yeah, Keystone
Keystone FDP
FTP.
person. Perfect.
Yes.
And let's share it.
Okay. It's will share
It's in
with,
processing. Yep, you can close that.
I can cancel it or close it.
You can close it. Close that pop-up.
Okay.
So this is how you actually share a data set with people. There's one account creation request, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm
And
checking.
then
We'll create that and then we'll proceed. Manisha. Your account is already there, ma'am. Manisha, ma'am.
I have just added her in the
Okay,
instance.
okay. You have
Yeah,
added. Okay,
yeah.
sorry.
I'm checking in the I'm
Chat.
checking the chat. Yeah.
Okay, okay. No problem. And regarding the attendance link, we are already downloading it from the Zoom. So please don't worry about the attendance. We'll download it. Once the session is over, we can easily download your attendance, how much time you are logged in. We have all the details. So don't worry about that. Just log in with your own name. Just rename your whatever is the name, and please keep the same name that you wanted on the certificates. So it will be easy for us to identify. Yes. Where were we? Krishnat sir? Did
we
you?
were sharing the data set, ma'am.
Yeah, we were. So we have shared it already, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
If you click on it,
Yes. 14 columns, 396 rows.
one people like if you look at the cards down there, one of the cards, the last one on the first row shows people with access. If you click on it, it says one person has got access to it, and we can see that Keystone FDP participants
Is shared with all the
shared with.
participants.
Why is it saying as no access?
No
Let's go
access.
just pull it up, scroll up, please.
Yeah. But there's no people in this. Zero people it is showing, sir.
That is because looks like
Allow
Yeah.
for sharing.
Yes. So the reason is it is showing zero people because there are no people in the this
the
group.
group.
Therefore, it is showing zero people. We need to add a people, then they will get the
Uh,
access.
so let's sir, why not we directly go into admin and then add all these people into the group?
Let me check.
Swati ma'am, in the meantime, we can also do it while Sunil sir is checking.
Okay.
Just close this and let's go to more and then go to admin.
Groups
Uh-huh.
and then Keystone participants. It's open, but it's having only, I think, one or two people. All the participants are outside. No scrolling option is coming. I'll open this. Yeah, no one is there.
Let's hit add people. That's on the right top corner. This will, okay, this we will be doing it one at a time. Okay, let's cancel this. We're going to try it the other way around. Let's
Uh,
go to people.
just sorry to interrupt.
Yeah,
Just
carry
refresh
on.
your screen and check whether they have added in the instance. Oh, sorry, in the group or not. Please refresh your screen. Go to groups, please. Keystone FDP. Yes. So I think people are there.
Yeah, 400 people are added here. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, all faculty members, if you check, refresh your screen, you can check the data set. You might have the access of the data set. Just go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. Everyone, please check your access to the database. It's there. So I'll go to data and then so we have 400 people with access, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah, and can share it with 400 people. So I'll close this, Krishnath, sir.
Yes, ma'am. So we are good with this.
Okay.
Now, on similar basis, everyone can download their own personal files into the data set and then they can share with us. And do let us know if anyone is facing issues with that, because the next stage of this exercise would be once you have downloaded or pulled the data into DOMO, we are going to convert it into a visualization, a meaningful insight, which we can use to take decisions.
Right. So likewise, if you have any XLS file, if you have any CSV file of your own data, pull it into the Domo instance, your Domo instance, and then we'll tell you how to create the cards and the visualization. And then at the end result, you have to share those cards and those visualization screenshots with us. So just pull your data like I did right now. Go to data like this. Go to data or you can add it from here also. Just go to this data. You can upload your file from here. It will be visible here, and then we will perform visualizations on that. So in your own instance, do it. Any your college data, your attendance files, your load distribution files, any Excel files, any CSV files, if you have, load it into your instance. And once you have loaded that in your instance, just share a screenshot with us in the chat box, please.
Sharma sir, great. We are now able to see it. Now, do you want to share it with us as well?
Thank you, Tarun sir. Anyone else wants to share their data? Please pull the data and share a screenshot with us in the chat box, please.
If anyone is facing issue or not able to understand, means find the buttons, please let us know. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Hansa ma'am, need the repeat the process.
yeah. Hansa ma'am, you have to go to data like this, or you can go from here also. Plus sign, go to data, this icon here. When you click on this, it will give an option called file. Go to file, upload your file from here, and it will be visible over there. Just upload any CSV file, any Excel file. Thank you. Sunil sir, can you create this account?
Yeah, let me check.
Yeah, please. Krishna sir, we have a query that it is taking a lot of time to upload, though it's not a very large file. Uh, Kanchan, Kanchan ma'am, how much data is there in that particular? Done now. Okay, great. Welcome.
Okay. Kanchan ma'am, can you share that with the group? Share the data set with the group so that we can have a
It's
look
done.
as well.
It's done now, sir. It's done now. It was the attendance file of students.
Okay.
Attendance of 4 months. It's done.
Okay. I'm still curious. I want to see how how large is the data. Should
It's not large, but still, but I maybe because of network
probably
connectivity.
because of network. Yeah.
Yeah, it will not
Swati
be
ma'am,
more.
do you want to show us one more time how it's done? Because we have got one more query asking how we are going to do this. So we are
Okay.
going to data.
I'll refresh my screen so that if anyone have shared any file with us, we can just check
Sure.
and then I'll show the process. So no one has shared. Okay. So you can see this plus icon over here. You can go to data from here and this file option. Then you can upload your spreadsheet here. Browse your file. It will take you to wherever the file is. You just pick up that file and upload. Is it pretty clear? Or anyone needs more clarification on this?
We have 75 participants online right now. So we are hoping to have at least 70 plus data sets uploaded.
Please upload your data sets and share with us,
It's
please.
kind of important for
Ma'am,
you to actually pull data from your local drives into Domo, or say from your Google Drives into Domo, because once you have
hello.
understood that process. Yes, Dr. Desai.
Sir, can you share the CSV file in a WhatsApp group?
No, no, you upload it here. Uh,
It
Upload it here, and then there's an option to share.
No, no. Just I want to tell you that the data set which you have already shared with us, can you put it CSV file in our WhatsApp group?
No, we want your data. See, we have uploaded it here, we have shared it here. Now you have to upload your data and share with us.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have to upload our own data.
You upload
that's
your own
correct.
data.
That's
Yes, your
correct.
Yeah.
attendance, your
Okay.
any data. A few
Yeah.
lines will also
Got
be
it.
fine. Just
Yeah,
upload
got
and
it.
share
Got it.
with us so that we can do visualizations on that.
Ma'am, can you confirm that my file is uploaded because I am not exactly aware. I've uploaded it, but whether it's visible to you.
Okay,
It's
one.
the initial step which was there before I uploaded, so that it's visible to you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
It
uploaded.
is
Yeah.
there. Yeah, Kanchan, ma'am, it's there. It said invalid email address. I got email, but it's no take my email and password. Krishnath said this kind of message will come.
Um,
He's saying I got email, but it's no take my email and password. Okay. Sunil sir is replying. Uploaded by Hansa ma'am. Okay.
let's do a refresh. Yeah, we see it. The very first one, organization 100.
Yes. So we got 3 only. Anyone else uploading? So I think Krishnath sir, we are good to go. I think we can move forward.
Sure, ma'am.
2, 3 data sets are like enough for now.
That's right. Now what we'll do is pick up each data set. Like we have got 4 of them,
Yeah, we have 4 of
starting with
them.
the people list. You have got STEM RS,
Yes, by
then we have
Mr.
got
Tarun
TY
and
third year attendance, and then you have got organization
organizations
100.
100.
So
Yes,
we'll use these 4 data sets and we'll create some meaningful visualizations out of it.
correct. Okay. So we'll proceed with people or we'll start from organizations.
Up to you, ma'am. Your choice.
Okay. Okay. So how to proceed?
Let's select organization 100.
Okay.
Once you have done that, you have got these options. Now, the second option is create visualization.
Okay.
You
Create
hit
a
that,
vision. Yeah.
we are seeing no connected cards because we have not created any card yet.
Any card yet. Yes.
So
So we'll add a card.
we'll add a card here.
Okay.
Now, once we do this, it takes you to Analyzer. Now, Analyzer is primarily our editing tool, if you want to say or take it that way. This is the tool which we will use to do any editing onto the visualization or the card which we are going to make.
Yes.
Okay. Now, on the left hand side, if you see, you've got options for columns, variables, and segments. And the dimensions which you're seeing are your column headers which are there. Uh, I'm looking at the extreme left hand side.
This
Yeah,
one.
that
Yeah.
these are your
Dimensions and measures.
dimensions.
Yes.
Your dimensions measures, and below that you also have calculated fields. Calculated fields are primarily where you are doing some calculation onto your existing data and putting that output directly onto your card. So that we will look at later, but right now let's play a bit with the data which we have got.
Yeah.
Now, if we see, can we check the data? Now on top in the middle, you'll see visualization and data. So if you look at the data, it will show what exactly is the data in this particular Excel sheet.
Index, organization ID, then there's name of people, then website.
And we have got country as well.
Yeah, we got country as well.
Beautiful. Now, using this, we can actually create a heat map. That's a very interesting feature which we have in DOMO. So let's utilize that.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So if you go
uh,
onto the popular charts on the right hand side, if
yeah,
you change that and look at maps, that's the third from bottom, and
yeah,
you can select the world map.
I can select the world map. Okay.
Let's see what it does. Okay, now in here, we do not have any value or it's not showing anything because the country value has been not selected.
Yeah,
So you can you can select the name as the
let's
country
start.
name. I hope
Yeah.
that is the country name. Or you can now let's put country
Country, I
in,
think.
yeah,
Country is
let's
having that
country in
country
the
name.
country name,
Yes. Yeah.
and voila, you
And
see.
the value. Yes.
And
And
then now
country.
you can select the industry which you want to put in the country value.
Yeah, this
So
is the
that's going
second
to,
field.
yeah, that's the second field. So now count of industries. And if you hover over it, see, so Canada has got 1, Brazil also has got 1,
China
China
also
has got
one.
1.
Then no data for Saudi. Ethiopia is one. Then Malawi, it's
Now
no
what you
data.
can do is, again, we are again playing with the data. On the left hand side where you see the measures, the third option is number of employees. Let's pull that and put in the country value.
Okay, I'll change it. Yes. Now I'll hover over. It's Canada again one. Then it's
Let's,
coming.
yeah, it's still showing 1. Let's look at the data.
Uh, Sorry to interrupt.
Yes, Sunil.
Swati ma'am, you can change the number of employees to from count to sum.
Ah,
Just change
my
the
bad.
measure. Yeah. Sorry, just change the aggregation.
Again, in the country value, there is a drop down.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
you
Aggregation.
have changed the aggregation from count to sum.
First option, right?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry, sorry. Actually, the screen sharing is
no
coming.
worries. Yeah, let's change it to sum.
Yeah, we forgot
Beautiful.
one. Yes.
So now you've got the information in the heat map style.
Yeah.
Now
So
you
now I
can
can say Canada.
change the controls of the heat map. You can change the properties of the heat map. You can play with it. For now, we are going to save it. And there is an option wherein you do a save and close. So we go back to our dashboard. So now we have got two charts created or two cards created. One is the faculty workload, which we had created earlier, and we have got organization 100. This is one more card which we have created.
This one. Yes. This
Now,
is
there
created today.
usually in a dashboard, what I have experienced is your primary data is always the same. Like, say, suppose attendance information. That primary data is always same, but you want to see it in different forms or flavors. Like if you want to see the attendance of this week, then you might want to see attendance by department. Then you might want to see attendance of by students, like by student names. Uh, one particular student has attended how many classes of which subject, something like that. So your primary data being same and you want to have multiple cards with different variations of it, what you can do is you can create a copy of the card, go into analyzer, and then again edit it, which we are going to do now with the second card. So on the second card, if you do a right click, uh, did you
No,
do a left click? So
yeah, I just selected it. Sorry. So
no
I'll
worries.
do a right click. No.
Uh, i- Use the drop down.
Yeah. Edit and analyzer.
The second last option, move or copy, and or you can use the extreme last option as well, which is save as.
Save
So
as.
you give a name. Now see the location which you're seeing on the top is where your card will land once you save it. So right now your location is overview. That is the page which we are currently on. So that's your main dashboard, which is a default dashboard. If you want, you can create a new dashboard as well where you want to save it. But right now we'll stick to the overview dashboard. That's the main one. Your card title is there. You can change the card title.
I can change organization's data.
Organizations card 2 or something like that.
Card 2.
Then you
Yes.
can put a description. That's again optional if you want to.
Organization's data.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Now, if you
So,
see, there is a checkbox at the bottom which says take me to the new card when I'm done. So either you can uncheck it, but right now let's check it so that it takes us to the next new card and let's save it.
okay, I'll save it.
What it's going to do is it will take us to this new card, which is your organization data card 2. Now, either you can play with the card right here or the editing tool which we have. That is your analyzer. You can use that. The analyzer is your second icon from the right, which is your conical flask. Yep, beautiful. Now we are going to change this card to a different type. So again, we can go to the chart types on the right hand side. Let's do a vertical bar just for the fun of it.
Okay, let's do the vertical bar.
We'll do actually multiple of them. So
Yes.
let's do one at a time. है ना?
Yeah.
Uh, Probably let's select a bar.
Okay.
Let's see what it does. Okay, so this is giving us the countries and the employees, number of employees. Now mm, let's see what we can do. Uh, let's put name instead on the y-axis. Let's see what happens.
On the y-axis name.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just playing with it. Even I don't know what's going to happen.
Count of names or the name only?
Or let's do founded. What is founded? Let's check that. The measures.
Okay, the measures. Let's check the founded. No, it doesn't came. I'll put it again. Drop. It's a drag and drop tool, so it's
It's pretty easy. This is
pretty.
totally a no code UI. So we're not doing any coding at all.
So I kept it here founded
So
and
count of
country is the,
founded, and this is your country in the x-axis.
yeah,
Mm, this is not giving us any meaningful insight about it.
yeah.
Um,
Should we take organization ID and then funded?
uh, you can do that, yeah. Or a better option which I can think of is let's pick up the industry
Yeah.
as x-axis. Do we have names of the industry? Perfect. And then on the y-axis, let's put country.
Okay.
So that's count of countries. So let's change the aggregation. Let's use the drop down. It will not give us anything. That makes sense as well, because what we are doing is we are counting the number of countries who have got this particular industry.
Yes.
So that is a visualization. Now you can save this one.
Okay. Save and close.
Yes. Okay. Now on the top right corner, sorry, left corner, where you see overview, you can hit that. So we should have the third card ready as well. Sure, Dipali ma'am, let's do that. We got a request saying that can we do it with students' attendance?
Yes,
So
yes,
let's
of
do that.
course. It's
So let's go back to data and let's look at the data sets. Let's look at the one which Kanchan ma'am has put, TY attendance.
yes.
Okay, and let's do a visualization. Hit on create visualization, second option in the cards. There's no connected card. Let's add it. Swati ma'am, you got hang of it. You're doing it quickly.
Sorry,
Great.
sorry. Okay, okay.
No, no, that's absolutely great actually. Now you know the navigation.
Yeah, we are enjoying this na today. It's
Yeah.
process. It's nice.
In fact, this is what I call as muscle memory.
Okay.
After a while, your muscles automatically move where you want to move
Correct,
without you
correct.
actually
Yeah.
thinking about it.
Right. So,
Perfect.
what type of chart should we use, sir, for this attendance?
What type of chart would you like to see, ma'am?
It's up to us.
Your attendance, you tell
Yeah.
me.
Correct, correct. So, should we take a line chart?
Why not?
Okay, let's take a line chart and then multi-line we'll use.
Sure. That's going to create a lot of
Uh,
noise for sure.
Okay. Sunil sir.
Sorry to interrupt, Swati ma'am and Krishna sir. We need to re-upload this file because if you open this data set, you can see in the data set the column names are not
They're
correct.
just names.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So the name column name starts at on 3 or 4 row number. So ma'am, Deepali ma'am, we might need to re-upload the file and select the column name where the column names are starting. So while uploading the file, you can add that row as a column where your headers are starting.
Dipali ma'am, can you upload any attendance file? This is by Kanchan ma'am.
Oh,
So,
sorry.
if, Dipali ma'am, you have any file attendance? Can we do this?
I can do that in the meantime. In fact, I have got one as well. I'll upload that.
Okay. Vikram Parihar. We have to check for this also.
Swati ma'am,
Yes.
I'm not included in this training group. That's why I'm unable to share this file.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Dipali ma'am, you share it with me on WhatsApp. I'll upload it.
Okay.
Yeah. Sunil sir, meanwhile, can you create this ID, Vikram Singh Pari?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Because if I switch to that screen, this will go.
yeah. Let me check. Yes.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, I've uploaded a attendance sheet. You want to check that? You can cancel this one. You can just get out of this. Yeah. Let's go to data on the top one, the main one.
This one.
Yeah, that's what I uploaded. So we can use this to create a
Then
visualization.
creating a visualization.
Uh-huh.
I'm going
Let's
slow,
add a
slow
card.
now.
No problem, ma'am.
Then
We'll add a
add a
card.
card.
Okay, now you see on the left hand side where you have the dimensions. Those dimensions are giving you the course code, date, faculty, and section. Sunil sir, a good catch that you saw that it had only column numbers when we did it previously.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So now, ma'am, you can play with this. So how
Okay.
you want to see it? You want to see it date versus the sum of period, or if you want to see it. Okay, let's use your favorite line chart. Let's see how
Okay.
it looks.
And I'll go for multi-line.
Of course. So this is what's happening.
It looks like a nursery kid did something on the screen. Some colors, some lines. This line
Yeah.
chart is like
I
that.
see it is week on week data, and we can see that. And if you hover over it, now there are a lot of features and properties which we can add to it. Now, for example, when you hover over it, I can see this is IT2 IT215 attendance,
Yes,
and we can see that the kids were very enthusiastic in the first week, and then suddenly
it goes down.
it's thought of okay. And now what you can do is if you look at the properties on top, where you have those buttons,
Where?
just move your cursor a bit up, and like, yeah, on the left hand side in this list, you see properties.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. So these are your chart properties.
yes.
So if you select each one of them, every chart property has got some features which you can use it. Like you can change the line style, thickness. These are your general properties.
Then phone family, I can change like
Yep.
this. See, I have
And
done this one medium,
yeah,
and these are normal. This
right.
one is normal, and this one is medium now.
Correct.
And if
You
I
can
have to make it a more thicker, I can do that like this thick.
correct.
So you can see these lines are now thicker, like this, like
Right.
this.
Because these are general properties, they will be applicable to all the elements of the chart.
Yeah.
Then you can actually think about the legends, you can think about the grid lines, data label settings, all these things you can change on the fly. Uh, the beauty of Domo's code, which is playing in the background, is that once you switch the chart type, immediately everything switches and gets converted based on what you have selected. It doesn't even take a fraction of second. Like right now we are playing with this chart, and if you suddenly want to change it to a different chart type, it actually absorbs all the properties and changes that chart type.
Yes.
So now this chart has been created. Now again, you can save. So we should be back onto our visualization, and that's your attendance chart. Now the next thing which we are going to do is create that. This is actually a dashboard. We can create a new dashboard, or we can create an app out of it. But that we are going to hold it for our next session. In our next session, we will be talking about how to actually create different apps or a dashboard. And then we'll also see how the dashboards would interact or they would change when we apply some filters. Uh, if you want, you can again create one more attendance chart, ma'am, with a different chart type. Let's
Sure.
just do a right click on the, just click on the chart.
Okay, I'll click on the chart.
That's the easiest way of doing it because you're actually using the same data set.
Right.
Let's do it the other way around because this method we have already shown.
Okay,
So let's go to data
I'll go to data. Yes.
and let's l- click on the attendance CSV. That's your data set, right? And you can create another visualization. So if you hit on create visualization, we already have these two. Wow, we created two of them. Okay, no worries. So we can add a card. And then now you can select, say, let's select a pie chart. Uh,
Yes.
Now let's look at the filter and sort option here. This is something additional which we can do. Now on the left hand side menu, you're seeing filter and sorting. Just below that, you need to click it again. So filter and sort is already available. Just above the chart properties,
Yeah.
this section, correct. This is already available, but we have not selected what column you want to filter on. So let's say if you want to filter on section. So on the left hand side where you have section, you just pull that field and put it in the filter field. Just pick it up, the section, and put it in filters. On, yeah, right there. So now you're filtering by, and
By
let's apply it. Let's just simply apply it.
simply apply it. Okay.
And then we'll apply the sorting as well. If you want to do the sorting, say by date, and put it there, and then apply it. So we have just applied the fields in the property. Now, if you save it and go back to the main chart, save and close. Awesome. So that's your chart, right? Attendance CSV.
Yes.
If you click on it, just simply click on it. So this is your data. This is not an analyzer, but we have sorting and filtering enabled to it. So if you select the third option, that's the funnel, that's your filter icon. No, ma'am, that was
Yes, I'm
analyzer. So the third option from your left. So, and then if you click on the plus sign, that's on the left hand corner,
yeah.
just above the 3K, you add a filter.
Based on date
Sunil
or
sir, we should have seen the filter right there. What am I missing?
Uh, if you have applied any filter, then only it will be visible.
We have
Else,
already applied, right? We have applied the filters.
can you show? Can you go to the analyzer?
Yeah, let's go to analyzer. Yep.
okay, it's not
Oh,
Attendance
we
selected.
lost it.
sorting.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll just put it again.
Um,
Let's put the section.
And then we have to select. Actually,
Say
it's not
select all
letting us apply. See.
and then apply. That got applied, right? Now let's save and close.
Seven close. Yeah. And then I'll go to filter. Then I'll go to
So
plus
this is to
sign.
add another filter to it.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
when you create a filter on the dashboard and apply the filter on the dashboard, that time it will be visible here. The whatever the filter that you have just added inside the analyzer. So that is an analyzer filter.
Correct. That's the analyzer filter. Right now you are in the card itself. When you go to the dashboard and apply the filter, that filter will be available at that point.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Now you can add a filter here as well. That will be onto the card. Say suppose you want to do it by section. The same thing. Uh, it's just and then select all, or yeah, and then apply. Now it is filtered by section A, B, and C. Now if you go on to the filter option which is there on top, you see, yeah, you just do a drop down. No, yeah, and you can unselect the filter, and then that's it. I mean, let's keep one
Okay.
and then apply. So this is a refreshed data of just section A. Section B and C have been excluded out of this.
Correct.
So this is the simplicity of it. Why we are looking at this right now is once we create our dashboards, in that dashboard, you can apply the filters universally. You apply the filter on one card, it gets reflected across all the cards, all the different cards which you're seeing. So the visualization becomes simpler. Perfect. Swati ma'am, have we shared the feedback link? Attendance,
No,
I
no.
believe we are directly capturing from the Zoom inputs, right?
Yes. I'll post the links. 1 minute. Should I stop share? I think we are done with the
Yes, ma'am.
visualization.
Yes, ma'am. I
I'll
mean,
stop share
for
my
now, yeah.
screen. Yeah. Just give me a minute. I'll be sharing the links. This is the feedback link. Please, everyone, fill it. And the quiz link also I'm sharing in a minute. Yes, the day two quiz link is being shared and feedback form link is also there. So please save the links and give us the feedback and solve the quiz also for your attendance. Yes, Krishnath sir, you can continue.
Sure, ma'am.
So
We
I
are
think
scheduled till 3:30, is it? Just
no,
double
it's
checking.
okay. We can let them explore. if we are done from our side. So they can explore the things and they can apply their databases and create cards on that. We can end the session also if we are done.
Perfect. I mean, the exploring of Tomo is kind of endless. I mean, the deeper you go, you will explore more things. But the fun is about creating your own data and putting it in there and then start playing with it. If anybody is facing any problems or if they have any questions, we are open to questions now. Please go ahead and ask us and we'll explain things again.
Anyone having any questions, any doubts, anything you want to ask? You can ask now.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, in our instance, uh, when we upload the data, then at which place it has been shown to us?
If you go to the data tab on top,
Yeah.
just one moment. Let me see if I can share. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Swati ma'am will need permission or you can share your screen.
I'll share my screen, sir.
Thank
No
you, ma'am.
problem with that. Yeah. My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. So
Okay.
on the top bar, ma'am, where you're seeing these options, there is an option for data.
Data.
And here, if your quick filter on the right left hand side where you're seeing the filters, extreme left hand side, ma'am, it should be set to all data sets. Yeah, it should be set to owned by you if you have not shared it. So
So
this
this
is a data set which is owned by Swati ma'am and has not been shared by with anyone. Similarly, Hiral ma'am, you would see yours under owned by you. Else, you should be able to
Sir,
see it under all data sets.
uh, in data,
When you go to data on the left hand side, again, there are options. Extreme left hand side, you have to
sir,
select the second
select.
option. That's right. That is your data sets. And within data sets, you should be able to see your data set.
Sir, shall I share my screen?
yes, I'll stop share. You can share, ma'am. Hiral ma'am, now you can share your screen.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a second.
We are getting some good feedbacks. Thank you. And do let us know if you want to have some changes in the way we are presenting.
Yes, sir. This is my screen.
Okay, you go to data.
Yes, data.
On the left, extreme left hand side, select the second option. Yes, data set. So these are your data sets.
Okay.
And now if you select the third
Okay.
option that is owned by you,
Right.
that should show you
Okay.
your data set.
Okay.
Do you want to
And
create a visualization with it while we are on the call? Let's just see how it looks.
yes,
Click on it, please.
just double click on that.
Just single click on it. Click on it. Awesome. Now you see these are your cards. One of the second option is create visualization. Click on it. It will not show anything because now you'll create a
Yeah.
visualization out of it. So this is where you're going to play with it. The top
Okay.
portion where you see x-axis and y-axis, there
Yes.
that is where you will pull your columns. The columns are available on your left hand side
Yeah.
where you see your dimensions.
Okay.
So you just have to do a drag and drop.
Yeah.
Just above
Okay,
your
sir.
X and Y axis, you've got those controls like
Yeah.
data table, filters, properties, controls, color rules, and stuff. You
Yeah.
again can play with them.
Got it, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Yeah.
I've shared day one quiz link also, and day one feedback link also I'm sharing. So if anyone have missed yesterday, so they can do it today.
Swati ma'am, I think the questions were very easy. We
Yes.
might need to just bring up the bar a bit. Should
Yeah.
be a bit difficult. Again,
Everyone is
that's just my
enjoying
thought.
actually.
Just my thought.
Yes. So I hope you all have enjoyed the session. And I have shared day one, day two, both the feedback and quiz links. So I think we are good to go. So just explore and enjoy using Domo, everyone. So we hope everything goes well and you all have a fruitful knowledge after this session. So see you tomorrow, everyone.
And
Thank you.
tomorrow, if that's okay with everyone, we will have a initial opening question answer session, just in case if you have some doubts based on what you explored today. So we can start the day like that, and then we'll continue with our presentation, and we'll learn something new and more interesting from Domo.
Yes. So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Krishnath sir. Thank you, Sunil sir, for your inputs. And it's going to be a great session. It's a great session, and we have three more sessions to go. So let's
Sure,
enjoy the sessions all
sure thing.
together. Yeah.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks for your patience and bearing us. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.
Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.